every video creator focus on earning money from YouTube. But there are other platforms also with the help of which we can earn money by creating the videos. One such powerful other platform is something that is very well known to us. I'm sure you are also using it right now. That is nothing but Facebook. Yes, you heard right. We can also earn money from Facebook by uploading the videos on Facebook. It could be your same existing YouTube videos which can also be going on Facebook platform. The only thing is it has to be repurposed in such a way that where it is going to be suitable for Facebook platform. Now when I say that, see, usually on YouTube we watch the videos horizontally, right? But on Facebook it's vertical. That's the only difference. And your existing YouTube videos can be customized in that and it can be uploaded. Now here is something. Facebook has over 2.45 billion users. In fact, it is much higher than YouTube as well. Not only that, the videos that are uploaded on Facebook can also generate income. You are going to earn 55% of ad revenue similar to YouTube, which is a good thing, right? Your same existing content which can also go on Facebook and you can earn money. Not only that, right now over 4 billion video views happen on Facebook every single day. There is a small difference between YouTube and Facebook, right? YouTube is a search platform where we go and search for the content what we want to watch. Whereas Facebook is a discovery platform based on your interest and the kind of post that you're checking. Facebook is automatically going to suggest you the videos what you might be interested in. That's how the videos are watched on Facebook. You can just think for a while. I think 2015 and before, Facebook was a platform with more of text and images. Now what are we seeing? Lot more video content. Why? Because there are creators which are also coming on Facebook, uploading the videos, and they are earning money. In fact, I also started building my Facebook page a few months before and I have been able to earn money. I'm also going to share the details. Right? So make sure you're going to watch till the end because there is some important things that I'm going to share about Facebook, the eligibility criteria and everything, so that you can start building your Facebook page and also start earning money. And here is something what Mark Zuckerberg also did mention, right? He mentioned, we want to build the best platform for millions of creators to make a living. So we are creating new programs to invest over 1 billion to reward creators. So they have been putting a lot of effort to build their video presence on Facebook as well. It's the same thing with Instagram. Instagram was a platform which was started to share pictures. Now we are seeing a lot of Reels, IGTV, right? So there is a way to earn money from Instagram as well, but in-stream ads are something that are not available on Instagram right now. And over a period of time, certainly it is also going to come over there. Now let me quickly tell you the criteria for earning money from Facebook. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, this is my Facebook page, A2C Arts and Crafts, where I've just repurposed my existing YouTube videos and uploaded here, and it has earned over $154 in last 7 days. Right? Though I started building it recently, there is a great growth. Why? Because it's a platform where there are not too many creators. It's the right time for you to get started with Facebook. In fact, I have many of my students who have started earning both from YouTube and Facebook together as well. So that's a great thing that you can start. So when it comes to Facebook, there are different ways to monetize your channel, and one of the most important is through in-stream ads. So like we earn from in-stream ads from YouTube, we can also earn money with the help of in-stream ads for Facebook videos as well. And the criteria is having 10,000 followers. That's the first criteria. And the second criteria that we need to achieve is having 6 lakh total eligible minutes viewed in last 60 days, right? It also says including at least 60,000 eligible live minutes viewed, correct? And next criteria is 5 active videos on your page. That means while you are applying for monetization, there should be at least 5 videos which are active on your page and at least 3 previously live videos. So once you achieve this criteria of having 10,000 followers and 6 lakh total eligible minutes that is viewed on your Facebook page, certainly your Facebook page can also be monetized. And let me also tell you, on Facebook, there are all real people, right? So there are a lot of people. So certainly you can share your video within Facebook platform, which is not an option to do on YouTube. So that means when you share your Facebook videos within Facebook platform, it can certainly reach to a larger audience. So in that way, certainly you'll be able to grow faster as well. So that's how you can also earn money from Facebook. If you have any questions related to Facebook, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. All the related videos with respect to Facebook has been given in this info link and also towards the end of the video. So certainly you can watch and grow your Facebook page as well and start earning money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done, and see you in the next video. Till then, take good care.